Hey guys, so we're here with Lance today, and he wore the same shirt as me. I swear that was not planned. So today, we're gonna teach Lance how to do a 50-50 grind. Very specifically, we're gonna teach him how to do a frontside 50-50 grind. So I took the legs off the bench because it's better to learn it just as low as it can go. If you guys have a curb or a very small ledge at a skate park, that's the first step. Learn it on something very small. And we're gonna do this one today specifically because we are very proud to announce that Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3 is available on iBooks for the very first time. So you guys can check out that video. It teaches tons of different ledge tricks. So today we're gonna teach Lance his first ledge trick. This is his first time grinding a ledge ever.
Yeah, I'm so stoked. This is gonna be sick.
Cool, so I guess since we just got here, the first thing is to do a little warm up. First try, he got it! He got it first try! Cool, so we're gonna get right into it. The first thing that's first is olling and landing on this bench. Now I'm gonna warn you, you gotta go straight. Because as you just noticed right there, the top of it's very slippery.
Yeah, my wheel's just
deadly. I'm not even gonna lie to you, do not even try it if you're going at an angle at all, because the top is so slippery. Just go very straight, pop a straight ollie as straight as you can, and just ride across the bench.
okay.
Don't try to ollie off. Let's do it. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have got you so freaked out by saying you're gonna die. You won't die. Oh, what? Boom. So you got that. You basically just did a 50-50. Cool, so here's my question for you. Where do you think you have to land on your trucks on the edge of that bench to do a 50-50?
Like, with my trucks, push up against the wheel.
Yeah, he knows that because he's filmed like every tutorial I've ever made. So why don't you put your trucks right there and just put it up against there so you can show everybody where it's going to be exactly.
Okay, so like this. So yeah, you want to just get the wheels pushed up against there so you have like a lock, right?
Yeah, that's right. So the first thing that you're going to practice is standing next to it. So stand like this, and that's what you want to do. Just pop an ollie onto it and then try and come off.
Okay.
Step one. Good, that was good. So let's try it again. Good. Let's do it again. Boom! If you ollied onto it like that, you would do the 50-50.
Yeah?
Yeah, it wasn't perfect, but you would still do it. Okay, now let's just land it so you can feel comfortable. Then we're gonna 50-50 this beast. Good, now, like, you want to move your upper body onto it as well. Like you're kind of like putting your legs there and not fully like jumping like from here, jumping and going back. You're kind of going like this, which if you landed with your wheels on top, that would happen. So to get rid of not doing a backflip out, try and like move your upper body on there too.
Okay, that's a really good tip.
Yeah, might save your life someday. It's true. Man, one tip and it's all he needs, this guy. This guy!
That was what it was.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
A lot of this is gonna be like the angle, slight angle. I'm gonna go first. Just
watch you really
watch
carefully.
my exact angle.
So I'm just gonna go and then ride off at the edge, not pop.
Yeah. Now, just like riding off a curb, you're gonna have to lift up your front truck. And honestly, it's easier to go faster, but I understand that for a beginner, it's kind of scary to go faster.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go with just a little bit more speed. As you saw that first angle, I almost got stuck I didn't lift my front truck up, and it almost got me stuck on the bench. Okay, and then also just remember where you're trying to land with your trucks. Your angle was really pretty kind of sharp.
Okay.
So watch out for that. Oh yeah, you got it!
Was that just me or was that a good one?
No, that was great.
That felt really good.
Yeah?
Yeah. What I like about the butter bench is that
it's butter?
when you land, yeah, it's butter, but also like the stuff slides off. It just, I don't know, felt cool.
Yeah, it does feel cool. It's like you're grinding and chunks are flying out and you're like, wow, I'm grinding right now. This is serious. Okay, cool. You want to do another one before we lift it higher?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Double dragons. Oh, you got it! You feel good about that one?
Yeah, that was sick.
All right, so let's put one of those 4x6s underneath and lift it a little higher. Okay, so now it's a little bit higher. Good. Remember to move your upper body onto it. There you go.
That was good.
This is gonna feel amazing when you land it. You got it.
That was good.
Let's do it. Cool. So the trick here is don't let the higher height phase you out. It's just a little bit of a higher ollie, just a little bit. Was that scary?
Sketchiest land ever, but I
No, that was great.
I landed it. I can't believe it.
All right, what do they say in the hood?
2 to make it true.
2 to make it true. Your angle is really like intense. I mean, you could come in like this and even pop and turn and grind, but it's even more difficult because look at your angle, rather than just going a little more straight and just popping right onto it.
Okay.
That was a beauty! Okay, just a little bit less angle. Like you're going really far in like this, and then that's why you're hitting the top of the bench. Less angle, more straight, and then just pop right on, just like you practiced in the beginning.
Okay.
Woo! Okay, so this is what I'm doing. And this is what you're doing.
Really? It doesn't feel like that.
No, you're olling like from so far away, like almost like here. No, get close and go straight. And it's just a little pop, right on there, and you got it. If you're ever having like too much of a struggle on the higher gradient, always back it up. See how easy that was?
Yeah.
If you would have done that with speed, it would have been over. Okay, put your board on there like this and go like this. Let's do it again. Run a little faster so that when you jump on, there's enough momentum to make it go. So that means you gotta lift up your nose as you're coming off. Cool, so you got that step now of the grind?
Yeah, it really helps to practice that.
Let's grind this, brah. Two to make it true. You gotta do 2 in a row. He lands his first 5-0. Boom! This guy. What is it? What is it all about? All right, do it again. 2 to make it true.
Let's do it.
We should teach him 5-0s. Oh! What was that, Lance? Oh, we got it! Look at this guy! Oh!
That is sick, man.
How did that feel?
Good. You know, it's funny. I didn't really respect grinds and slides until now. They're actually really fun.
They're extremely fun. So definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3. It is available on iTunes as an iBook for the very first time. It takes you through a ton of different grind and slide tricks. It's extremely detailed, so check it out. If you want to get it from the Braille website as a digital download, you can click right here. Woo, woo, woo. Otherwise, go to iTunes and get it as an iBook. It's available on your iPhone. Pretty sure you can get it on the iPad, all of that. And you can actually just get it on your computer. So you can get the iBooks app on your computer and get it. All the chapters are broken up. It's actually the best way to watch SMS.
Yeah, you will not regret it. It seriously breaks down these grinds and slides, and they're so much fun. It will unlock a whole new world of skateboarding for you.
Cool, so thanks a lot for watching. You guys are incredible. Thanks to Lance for putting up with all of my instruction. Please click that subscribe button. Click that plane that's flying overhead. And leave us a comment. What do you guys think Lance should learn next?
And thanks a lot for teaching me, seriously.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks again. You guys are the best.